Okay, now it's time to put the R&R Targets trigger guard / AR grip assembly on. Okay, so we need to remove the factory assembly. So you're going to grind these off until they're flush with the bottom, all four of them. Okay? Once that's done, this thing will just pop off. And then you'll have the rivets sticking through slightly underneath. You want to grind those off, and then you can pop this, all of this off, and it'll look like this. Okay? Then you'll tap those rivets out of the way, tap them through. Okay? And then you will get to this. Now, as we used or did in the last video with the mag well, okay, you see we've got that drilled. We're going to set our mag well in place, like we've got it screwed down flush with the front of the receiver. Okay, these trigger guards are set up to go perfectly in line with this. They almost look like one piece. So you'll slide it in, bump the back of this, and then you've got to get in your holes, and you're going to scribe it again, and then when you pull it off, you're going to drill 2 holes, 2 1/4 inch holes. You can drill next size up, they don't have to be perfect. Drill these 2 holes, your trigger guard sets in place. You've got 2 1/4 by 28 screws, line up perfectly like this. You're going to Loctite them, drop them down in here, tighten them up, and your trigger guard assembly is done.